Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I'm working on a 2007 Toyota FJ Cruiser, and I'm going to show you something very simple. We're going to replace a mass airflow sensor. If you need this or any other part, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks. So here we go. We're going to remove this 10mm and this 10mm. That's what the nut looks like, by the way. Both the same. We'll set these aside, grab our cover, lift up from the front, pull it towards us. There's our engine cover. So here we go. First thing first, I'm going to squeeze this right here. Give this a little wiggle. We always check our electrical connectors. Make sure you don't see any funny colors, corrosion, debris, rust. That looks pretty good to me. We'll set this aside. Here's our mass airflow sensor, obviously. We've got a Phillips head and a Phillips head. Use my Phillips head screwdriver here. Remove both these screws. There's one, pretty small. Set it aside. Phillips head screw number 2, same as the first. We don't have to worry about mixing them up. We'll grab our sensor, lift it up. That's what it looks like. Easy peasy. So here we go, friends. A quick product comparison for you. I just want to take out our old one. We've got our brand new one, straight from 1aauto.com. We'll open it up. Comes in a nice little package. No return if opened. So this is very important. You want to make sure you pay special attention to everything you can see of this. They put it in a nice clear package for you so you can double check. Make sure it looks the same, just like this. Like this. It's got the same mounting holes, same height, looks about the same. If you think it matches up, you should be clear to open it. If it's different, do not open the package. Just contact us and we'll help you out. So it looked about the same. I'm going to go ahead and open it. Now we can hold these side by side and take a peek. As you can tell, the shapes look exactly the same. Got the same amount of prongs in there. 5 prongs, same connector. Got the same mounting points. Even comes with a brand new gasket. I don't see any reason why this wouldn't be a quality part to install into our vehicle, so I'm going to go ahead and do it. If you need this or any other part, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks. Okay, so something that I want to show you real quick since I have it out. As you can tell, the little wire there, it's looking pretty nasty. Discolored, right? It's supposed to look metal, shiny, pretty. Something like the other side. So when this is metering the air as it's getting sucked through your engine or into your engine, the air is coming through this direction. And then this is catching / accumulating any dust that might be coming by, and it's getting pretty nasty in there. This is going to cause a running condition, poor fuel economy, all sorts of things. It's a good thing that we're replacing this with a quality 1A Auto part. So here we are, friends. Now it's time to go ahead and reinstall our quality 1A Auto part here. We've got our mounting holes on the intake area. We're just going to slide it right in. Those holes should line up perfectly, and they do. We remember it went this way because, well, we have the connector. The connector has to reach in. If you put it the opposite way, odds are this isn't going to reach. We'll take our Phillips head screwdriver. We're going to start one of these screws in. I'm not going to tighten it down until I have the other one started in as well. This is super important. The reason for that is because if I tightened it down and this needed to be moved a little bit, I wouldn't be able to move it, and I wouldn't be able to line up the hole correctly, and I could cross thread this in. I'm only threading into plastic here, so you don't want to cross thread it, and you definitely don't want to over tighten it and strip out the hole. Once it feels like it bottoms out, like that just felt like it did, just give it a little bit. Do this one. Bottomed out. Give it a little bit. I always like to give it a little shake. If you wanted to, you could put a little dielectric grease on there. For the purpose of this video, I'm not going to worry about it. I'm going to take my connector, I'm going to push it in, I'm going to listen for a click noise. I heard an audible click. I'll give her a nice little tug. Feels good. It's not coming off. There we are. Easy peasy. We've got our cover. We're going to line this and this up with this and this. When it comes down, we're going to have these studs. They should fit inside the holes. Let's give it a try. Okay. There we are. Grab our two nuts there. 10 millimeter. There we are. All set.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.